So if you don't know by now, a little over a month ago, I launched a coaching program for artists and musicians called High Level Creators. And basically, I show them something that I call the fan funnel system, which shows them how to grow their streams, grow their fan base, and make money, monetize their music. And I show a lot of different artists how they can actually make 5 to 6 figures a month or 5 to 6 figures per year off their music using this fan funnel system. So if you're interested in just really learning more, I did a 1 hour webinar, 1 hour training video. You can click the link below and access it. You can watch it. It's pretty dope where I just break down the whole fan funnel system and I show you why 98% of all our artists are actually making and generating 5 to 6 figures. So it's a weekly coaching program, and I wanted to give you a sneak peek. I'm not going to like give you everything, but I wanted to give you a sneak peek on one of those how one of those lives actually goes. So I'm gonna play a video. I'm gonna show you a video of just me in a private session with my members, and I hope you gain a lot of value because you're gonna love this. Every week I actually coach my students and I give them different gems that you can't find anywhere. You can't find it on YouTube. And you're gonna really like this one because in this training video, I'm showing them how they can actually get more traffic into their funnels or how they can gain more fans, but this time not using Facebook ads, not using YouTube ads, but doing it in a different way that's a little bit more organic. So I think you're gonna really appreciate this video. And if you're interested in joining our coaching program, click the link below. All you have to do is book a call with my team members and we'll do a free 30-minute strategy session to see if we're a good fit. So I hope you love this video. I hope it resonates with you, and make sure that you leave a comment below and let me know what you like about this video, what you love about it, and make sure that you subscribe to this channel because I'm gonna be releasing more content throughout the week. So without further ado, let's get started. You see my screen?
Yeah.
I love doing webinars. Okay, so I got this last week. I talked about some hacks to get free traffic. I just want to do that again and touch on it. And so I want to go through this, which is social media traffic hacks. And basically, I'm gonna show you like how to instantly gain fans and traffic without running paid ads. I know sometimes paid ads could get expensive. Sometimes the bread could go low. And if Lord forbid, but if that happens, here's a way where you can actually get it for even a cheaper price and still get hundreds of people to come within your fan base. This is about to get real interesting. So we're going to really kind of focus on Instagram because there's a lot of different ways that we could utilize Instagram to actually just grow your fan base, grow your following, and just and really get traffic in your funnel. So what you want to do, this video, by the way, will be up on Friday. What you want to do is you want to create 4 Instagram music fan pages. So we're not using your main fan page. We're creating totally different ones, right? So you're going to create 4 Instagram music fan pages. So when I say that, for example, mine would be like, my name would be like @keonthetrack fan page, right? The bio would be like, this is the official fan page of keonthetrack, or this is the official promotion account of keonthetrack. And of course, where you put your website link, you're going to put your funnel link. Now, go ahead and just add 10 pictures or 10 videos. You don't got to fill it up. We just need it up, just something up there. So you can add something, whatever, from your regular page or whatever, but you just want 10 pictures and videos. You can mix it up. That way the page could look kind of real. You get what I'm saying? You got to have just a little content on there. Now, here's the next thing. You go and you hire a VA with your virtual assistant. So you hire one like mine. I could give y'all mine. Mine is, but I only got her on Fiverr. Mine is $15. I pay her between $10 to $15 a day. And what she could do is you're going to have her find your targets. Now you already know what your top 5 targets are. Now you got to go on your Instagram and find their pages. For instance, let's give an example. Nicki Minaj. We go to her fan base. You see she has 195 million followers. These are people that know, like, trust, and love the bars. So now you're going to have your VA write 100 I say 100 to 400 of her fans. She's gonna go in the following, and once the followings appear on the screen, there's a specific message that she's going to DM every single one of them promoting your music and funnel. And she's going to do that to between the 100 to 400 people a day. Because remember, it's your top 5. That means that your music already sounds similar to that person anyway. So if they click the link and check you out, they're going to actually like it. They're from a psychology standpoint, because they already like that genre, or they already like a similar sound of music. So with that being said, and this will be up next week, you'll have them again, 4 pages, 4 fan pages. We're not using your regular Instagram. We're using 4 fan pages. And we see this all the time. I already know what it is when I see a platinum artist, and then all of a sudden I see the Japan promotion page, and then I see the UK promotion page. I already know what they're doing. You get what I'm saying? Because they're promoting the artists and promoting the singles by actually setting up different fan pages and having a VA actually run that fan page to manually hit people up and actually get them in, because it's effective, and you could get hundreds of people tuning into your music, and you could get your followers up, and you know what I'm saying, and you could get people clicking that link in the bio. So that's like more covering the grounds. So a lot of people do this. That's why when you see artists, again, you see so many different fan pages. A lot of those that you think are bots, they're not. They're humans that are literally doing a job that somebody is paying them for. And you'll type in a person's name and you'll see 50 different accounts, but what they won't tell you is they own all 50. You know what I'm saying? So I'm showing you what's going on. So you'll just write them a message like, so you'll have the VA on the fan page, write the followers, whoever your target is, going through the follower one by one, writing them, hey, I see you're a fan of, let's use Nicki Minaj, for example. Well, if you like her music, then you're going to like our artist, which is your name's music. Don't believe me? Click the link below or in the bio and hear it for yourself. By the way, for the next few days, now we're doing scarcity. We're creating scarcity. For the next few days, we're giving away free gift bundles to everyone who clicks or checks out the music. Click the link below, become a fan, and get your free welcome package. And then you just add the link. That one simple thing, $15, have her send it to 300 people a day. You'll, out of 300, you'll at least be getting 90 to 100 and even more new fans every day. And you didn't have to spend no money on ads. And so instead of you spending that ad money, you literally have cut the ad cost to just 10 to 15 bucks, but you're getting a lot because you're getting manual work done, which is more bootstrapping. So that's one way. The second way is now you can also use AI bots. So if you want to get a little technical like me, you could use AI bots to do the same thing, but you can actually get way more done just using artificial intelligent bots. So with that being said, there's different, my top favorite, ManyChat, Simplegram, Social Boost, and Kenji. So if you use these, basically, like you might be asking, what are the benefits of using an AI bot? So it basically works just like an ad. It works 24 hours a day to grow your fan base. It constantly researches your following. Then it goes out and targets other followers who are similar to the people that already follow you and like you. So it goes through your comments, it goes through your likes, and it says these type of people at this type of age who like to do this, who like to eat this, who like to go like these type of pictures. We're gonna go find more people that are similar to the people that already fuck with this artist, right? It automatically sends new and current followers custom messages to direct traffic to your funnel, right? So you could program it with that same message that I just gave you and tell it, hey, go send 300 of these a day. And so basically, so you can have it target Nicki Minaj, and just like I said, do with a VA, you could have the AI bot put the target of Nicki Minaj in, and it will just go until it knocks out every one of her followers. It will just go and send that message automatically on its own, and it'll do it slowly for 24 hours every single day. So now you're getting new followers randomly without posting nothing on Instagram. Your followers is going up. You're getting all these people that's coming into your funnel, and you're getting all these different messages. You're getting engagement and traffic because you have an AI robot that's working in your favor. And so you can also target specific hashtags. So if you want the bot to actually say, hey, write people who use this hashtag. So anybody who uses the hashtag Nicki Minaj fans or Lil Uzi fan base or any hashtag you could think of, you could just have it right there. It'll just go. You could program it like everybody's picture. Go look at everybody's story who just use this hashtag. Like you can have it do so many different things. You can also target locations. So let's say that one of your top 5 and on your list, let's say that you know that they're having a concert. You could program the AI bot to go to the location of the concert where everybody's taking screenshots, and then you can have it send everybody a private message, a DM. So if you know Coachella's going on, or if you know a private concert is going on, you could actually type in the address of where it's going on, and everybody who does a flick or video or upload, it'll send every single one of them a message that you wanted to send. This is the power of AI. Even though you hear bad shit about it, this is how we use it in our favor. So, they have other things like comment automation. So basically you could program it to just leave whatever comment on your targeted fans pages or whoever uses a hashtag or whoever's in this location. You could target it to just leave this comment and just keep doing that. Do that to 200 different pages a day. You could set it up for like automation. So it could and have it like 500 different pictures or videos or reels of whatever target you set it up for. Right? You could do them DM auto response. I know y'all seen that when you hit somebody up and all of a sudden you got a message right back instantly. That's because they're using a DM autoresponder. And of course, you could set it up if you wanted to just view a bunch of people's pages. If you want them to view all the stories, you could set it up by saying, because if people view their stories and they see that you watched it, they're going to come to your page, and then a portion of them are going to click the link in your bio. So we're using all of this AI just to have them come into your funnel. But the thing about it is, this will cost you way less. Now you could use a virtual assistant for $15, $10 to $15 a day, or you could use a AI Instagram bot to actually do the work for 24 hours. You know what I'm saying? Either way, it's that will cost you less than $50, maybe 60. It all depends. And so basically those are 2 ways that you can actually just not run any ads, but still get hundreds of people in your funnel per day. So let me know if y'all got any questions.
Hey, can you put those companies back up right quick? The ones
and I'm gonna have this uploaded. This is gonna be up tomorrow. Oh man, on Friday? It's gonna be up on Friday. The tech guy who works on all of y'all shit is gonna be uploading all this shit on Friday.
I ain't gonna lie, that was hard. Like, you just explained some stuff that I didn't even realize what was going on for real. Like,
y'all been, but you know what the problem is? Y'all been seeing people hitting y'all up trying to sell y'all Bitcoin using this shit.
Correct.
Oh yeah.
You see what I'm saying? They've been using it to scam. So I'm showing you how to use. I'm showing you how to use the same technology to actually, instead of scamming, but to promote your music and promote your funnel. Because these Bitcoin scam people, they're making a lot of money because they're abusing these 4 AI bots. But guess what? No matter what, as you can see, it works because you've been hit with them messages. So that means that somebody targeted a hashtag that you were using, or they targeted a person that you were following. Y'all have gotten hit multiple times because the AI bot said, hey, target Black people between 18 to 30 that listen to this. You know what I'm saying? They set it up and then they press go and then let it do all the work. Except what they were doing was when you click the link, it then steals your Instagram page. You know what I'm saying? So they were doing little dumb shit like that, but they were trying to disguise it as Bitcoin, right? So that's what's going on. But here, nobody knows what's going on. They don't know what but this is what's happening. You know what I'm saying? They're creating multiple Instagram pages of one person And then they're setting these AI bots to actually run and send messages to the targets. So when you look up your favorite celebrity, now you see like 100 different pages because they're using this. They create a page real quick, they add content on there real quick, and then they program it to go out and get people to click on the link. We're going to use the same technology to get people to click on your link, except we're promoting good music and products.
Facts.
So nobody's ever did a video on this. You can't find this on YouTube. I'm just showing you what's going on.